Hello everyone, how are you all doing? Hope all of you are fine. Okay, so this is the continuation of the videos which belong to parts of speech. We have successfully learned noun, pronoun, verb, adverb. Noun is a naming word, verb is an action word. And pronoun, we use a pronoun instead of a noun. Today you are going to learn two things. One is adverb, the other one is adjective. That's because there is a similarity between adverb and adjective. Let me tell you that. So, what is the similarity between noun and verb? Noun is a naming word, sir. Verb is an action word. That's all. That's all actually. Okay. So, the similarity between noun, adjective and adverb is, before telling that, I'm going to ask you something. Let us take an example of a family where there are 4 members. Lovely mom, taking care, and the most responsible father, and 2 kids, 1 boy and 1 girl. Okay, basically all the boys like their mother, all the girls they love their father. The same rule. Okay, so when you go to any one of the families and when you ask any one of the girls, any one of the daughters, and the daughter always talks about father. That's because she likes her. And when you go to any one of the families and when you ask any boy about his favorite, then he starts speaking about his mother. It's natural, it's quite common actually. All the men, we love our mom. Okay, so all the girls love their father. The same rule, just let us apply here. In this, noun is the mother, verb is the father. Okay, so who is the mother? Noun is the mother, verb is the father. And they have 2 children. They are adverb and adjective. So this adverb is a daughter and adjective is a son. Okay. So this adverb always talks about father only. This girl, adverb girl, always she looks like father actually. So if a girl looks like her father, people say that she is the luckiest. Is that true? I don't know. Okay, so this adverb always talks about father only, and this adjective always talks about mother only. Okay, how was the story? Fine. So an adverb always describes a verb. An adjective always describes a noun. So describing in the sense what? Nothing. Telling about that. Describing about that. Okay, always. So the noun is like that, the noun is like this, the noun is doing that, the noun is this, the noun is that. This is the work of adjective. The verb is like that, the verb is doing that, the verb is like this, the verb. This is the duty about adverb. So an adjective describes a noun and an adjective tells the quality of a noun. The son, adjective, always talks, always describes about the mom, noun. Always tells the qualities of mom, that means noun. How? So this adjective, some adjectives I'm going to tell you. Handsome, not me, you all. Beautiful, pretty, nice, good, awesome. So all these are adjectives. Sir, it's okay, sir, but how the rule gets applied? I'm giving you the clarification. A small boy, a 1-year-old boy, by seeing him, we can say, example, his name is Tejas. Tejas is a pretty boy. Okay. One more example, Jyoti. So Mrs. Jyoti is a beautiful homemaker. Okay. So, Mr. Ramcharan Tej is a handsome actor. Okay, so Mr. Ramcharan is a handsome actor. So, Ramcharan is the noun there, and we are telling about the quality of Ramcharan, which is handsome, and that handsome is adjective. Got my point? As like that, Mrs. Jyoti is a noun, and the quality of Mrs. Jyoti is a beautiful homemaker. The beautiful is an adjective. When we talk about a 1-year-old boy Tejas, we are talking about his appearance. He looks pretty. That pretty is an adjective. So all the time the adjective talks about the noun. It tells the quality of a noun. So this is all about adjective. Let us go to adverb. So this same thing. The adverb always describes about the verb. Fast, slowly, gently, nicely, cleanly, wonderfully. So these are all called as adverbs. So the adverb always talks how the action goes on, always describes about the verb. Okay. Mr. Ramu walks very fast. The tortoise runs very slowly. They made it completely cleanly. Okay. He performed wonderfully. See, these are verbs. Ramu walks. Walking is a verb, but how does he walk? He walks very fast. The tortoise runs. Running is a verb, but how does it run? It runs very slowly. Performed. Performing is a verb, but how did he perform? He performed wonderfully. Here I would like to mention something, that most of the people use a word called fastly. Come fastly, do fastly, 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 fastly. Fastly, there is no word called as fastly in English. It's not fastly, it's just fast. Fast, faster, fastest. That's all. Got my point? Fine. So fast, slowly, wonderfully, excellently, marvelously. So these are all. One thing you can remember, all the words which belong to adverb most probably end with ly. So wonderfully, gently, nicely. I have used some examples, right? Yes. So got my point? There are two things. Adjective, adverb. An adjective always describes a noun. An adverb always describes a verb. Okay. So this rule you better remember. Noun is mom. Verb is father. Adverb is daughter. Adjective is son. So this adjective always describes mom, noun. This adverb daughter always describes the father, verb. Got my point? So how the action goes on tells. Which one tells about that? Adverb. How the noun is, how the the describing part is done by adjective. So this is all about today's class. You have learned adjectives and adverbs. Thank you everyone. Please do support me. Jai Hind.